Yung audit, i-edit naman yun.
O, edit ko.
Okay. Magandang umaga po sa ating church sa Cabanatuan. Kami po ay nakikigalak sa inyong pagdiriwang ng ika-34 na taon na anibersaryo ng gawain ng ating Panginoon. At kami po ay patuloy na nananalangin sa ating church, sa ating pastor at ang kanyang pamilya, at kayo po ay magpatuloy. So ang verse po na aking may bibigay ay 1 Corinthians 57 and 58. But thanks be to God, which giveth us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, for as much as you know that your labor is not in vain in the Lord.
Happy 34th Church Anniversary, Landmark Bible Baptist Church, Cabanatuan City. Congratulations and God bless you.
Ciao!
Ciao!